Hey, what's up? Welcome back. Patrick here, and moving on to the next example, dealing with ratios with proportions. So we're told that you are mixing a drink with orange juice, pineapple juice, and soda in the ratio 6, 2, and 4 respectively. If 2/3 liters of soda is used, how many liters is used for part A, the total drink, part B, orange juice, and then part C, pineapple juice? So let's actually kind of draw this out first. So the ratio, it's a respective ratio, 6 orange juice, pineapple juice, soda. So we'll say that orange to pineapple to soda, right? And so the ratio is what? 6 to 2 to 4, like that. Now, these are the parts of the orange juice, pineapple juice, and soda. So how many parts are there going to be in total, right? Because that's going to be important in this question as well. Well, we just add these up. So 6 plus 2 plus 4, that would give us 12 parts in total, right? So 6 of the 12 is going to be orange juice, which actually means that half of the drink is going to be orange juice. 2/12 is going to be pineapple. 4/12 is going to be soda, like that. So we can represent it here. Now, what are we given? We're told that 2/3 of a liter is used for soda, right there. And so what are they asking us for? They're asking us for how many liters is used for the total drink. So this is going to be part A right here. How many liters is used for the orange juice? That's going to be part B. And then how many liters for pineapple? That's going to be part C. And we can actually just have those as the variables over here. So notice that to figure out the total drink, what we could first do is use this pair over here, because we're given the total parts, which is 12, and we're given how many parts is used for the soda. And so we could just create a ratio. 4/12 is going to be 2/3 over A, like that, right? This ratio has to equal this ratio, right? The proportions are the same here. And so to solve for this A value, you could basically at this point just cross multiply. So 4 times A gives us 4A, and then we'll have 12 times 2/3. Now, 12 times 2/3 is what? 8. Sorry, so let's keep this as 4. This is going to be 8. So that means A is going to be 2 liters, right? So the total drink is basically 2 liters, like that. And so given that, let's update our ratios here. So we just solved for how much the total is going to be. So this here is going to be 2 liters, like that. And now what we have to calculate is how much of it is going to be orange juice and then how much is going to be pineapple juice. So there's actually different ways to do it. So let me show you a couple of different ways just so you could understand it better. So we're going to solve for this variable B here. And what we could do, okay, since we're already given how much of soda is being used, we could just make a ratio between these two parts here, right? Because we know that the 6 parts of orange juice to the 4 parts of soda is going to be the amount, the actual liters of orange juice used, to the amount of liters that's used for the soda, like that, right? And so what we could do from here, again, cross multiply. 4B, 6 times 2/3. 6 times 2/3 is what? 4. You got 4B, so that means B is equal to 1, right? So that means there's 1 liter of orange juice that is used. So that's one way to do it. We could have also did the ratio between the total, since we already have the 2 liters, and the orange juice. However, it's nice to use what you're given in the question, if possible. That's why I use these 2 ratios versus these 2. But if you did use the orange and the total, we could say 6/12 is equal to B over 2, like that. And when you cross multiply, you'd get that same B value of 1. Okay, another thing we could have done is because we have the total parts here, we know that the ratio of orange juice being used is 6/12, right? Or sorry, not the ratio, but the proportion of the total drink is going to be 6/12. The amount of pineapple juice is going to be 2/12, and soda is going to be 4/12, like that. And then all of these would add up to 100% or 1, right? So we could have also took that 2 liters of total, and if we want to get the orange juice portion, well, 6/12, which is 1/2 of 2 liters, gives us that 1 liter. So that's another way we could have done it. So basically different ways you can go about it. Just make sure that you're getting that 1 liter for the orange juice. And then finally, part C for the pineapple juice. So if we're going to do this with the ratios, we could relate these two pairs. So basically 2 to 4 is going to be 2 to 4 is going to be C over 2/3, like that, right? So cross multiply, 4C equals 2 times 2/3. So that means 4C is equal to 4/3. Divide both sides by 4. The 4's would cancel out, so C would basically be 1/3 of a liter, right? So 1/3 of a liter is being used for the pineapple juice, like that, right? And so make sure you are being able to get these fractions, because maybe this is going to be a multiple choice and the answers are going to be fractions. So 1/3 of a liter. Another way we could have done it, because we know that pineapple juice is 2/12 of this total 2 liters. So we could have took the 2 liters, multiplied it by 2/12, which would also give us 1/3 of a liter, right? So different ways to basically go about it. And another way you could check it, now that you have all this information, well, we know that the total is 2 liters, so that means 1 liter plus 1/3 of a liter, the orange juice plus the pineapple plus the soda of 2/3 should give us 2. And if you add those up, they do indeed give you 2. So different ways you can check your answer as well to be more confident that you're working with the correct numbers. And that is the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed that. If you want to find more videos like this, you can go to my website, allthingsmathematics.com. Over there, all my courses are organized for both high school and university. All the videos are organized by chapter. Also, if you have any questions, you can hit me up. My contact details are also on the website. Enjoy your day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.